for the sign of Scorpio for this month. Let's see what is up for the sign of Scorpio from when you're catching this reading. How is next month going to be? What do you need to hear right now, Scorpio? What do you need to hear? You who identify as Scorpio, what do you need to hear? So this is Gaja energy. This is is this your energy? This is recovery, transformation, Scorpio. As usual, you are going through this deep transformation that you're always part of and that you're always almost ever going through. Scorpio, I have not met a Scorpio who's not undergoing a transformation. It's just your thing that you embody transformation, Scorpio. You're always in this radical process of intense and change, and so this is just your thing, maybe. Let's see what is happening in the health department. One, okay, transition is there. Let's establish that. In the health situation, you're getting the Queen of Wands. You are doing something nice over there. You're showing up, your passion, creativity. Overall, this is great start, Scorpio. You can be feeling like you are actually giving your health a chance, और आप उस पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो. There can be an overall, if you are working out, you should work out. Okay, I'll show you. Working on your chest during this time will help you realize what you need to realize. If you're working out, work out your chest area during this time or get energy flowing over there, and you will see confidence will happen through you naturally, Scorpio. So yeah, in some way health is about confidence in your reading. अभी आपको अपने health और confidence को साथ लेके चलना. आपकी health अच्छी रहेगी, confidence अच्छा हो जाएगा. दूसरा आपका बात है कि आपका सिचुएशन क्या है यहाँ पे, वर्क सिचुएशन. लेट्स सी द कार्ड फॉर वर्क. इट इज अडेप्टेबिलिटी, द कार्ड ऑफ द टू ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स. दिस इज टू ऑफ कॉइंस, two of pentacles here. So this is everyday thing. So maybe work is about moment to moment. रोज कैसा हो रहा है, adaptability. In some way maybe you need health because you have so much of work to do. आपको एक तरीके से दूसरे तरीके के work पे regularly jump करना पड़ सकता है. That can be the challenge during this time, Scorpio. Okay, and overall this shows that you'll be able to balance, you'll be able to go through this. Let's see what's happening in your relationships. So this is the Hangman. Maybe nothing is happening in your relationship. Somebody here, there are two things. One is holding patience कि ठीक है यार, time से हो जाएगा, and one is not doing anything when you can. And if you are a female receiving this, you need to step out of this because the other person is not taking chance on you. If you are the masculine side receiving this, you need to take some action. Masculine here needs to take some action. Emotional action from the masculine is what is required for relationship to flower. Overall this shows कि आपके relations अभी तक जैसे थे वैसे ही रहेंगे. There can be some happiness, enjoyment, opening heart, and overall love energy flowing, because Hangman is also energy of love. So very dreamy relations over here. And again, this can be like overall you have to work on something, you're adapting to something that can be happening. Okay, Scorpio. So let's see more the overall energy here. It's the Five of Feathers. It's like the Five Swords, strategy, resilience. So Scorpio, you're playing the game. Some cycle is over, but you're still continuing it. You know कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो सकता, पर आप तब भी वहाँ पे रुके हुए हो, because you want to see कि क्या पता रोज रोज कुछ करके कुछ फर्क आ जाए. Something you know is not moving, you're still there, Scorpio. For different people it can be different things. Let's see the advice over here. Okay, the advice is Knight of Cups is to keep trying. Charm, passion. This is the advice ki it's a pink flamingo. It's like do something with your aesthetics and play with aesthetics, and like you need to connect with the messages of love, of heart to heart conversations some way, Scorpio. But this is tricky situation, tricky. You are strategizing, you are trying to, as I said, you're always under transformation. Seems like you're strategizing again and you are in some kind of a cycle, and right now is not the time to break the cycle. Rather you have to go deep into it by practicing your charm and your passion, by understanding कि जो masculine side से जो change आना है, how you are that change. In some way you have to push that part of you that wants to love further. Maybe there is a reason why you stick around. People may think, oh, your love is toxic, but there is a reason why you're sticking around here. People may think your ways are toxic, but there's a reason why you're here. It's because you know that there is some power to your manipulation slash love tactics. So whatever you're doing, either manipulating a person or a situation, or you are manifesting a person or a situation, whatever you are doing, you have to go deep into it. And for that, if you're manifesting something, understand deeper levels of love. What are the deeper levels of love? Work on understanding that. And if you're manipulating someone, do what you did last time. You are in a cycle anyway, you know what to do. And yeah, I would say quit. But anyway, so let's see. um, mm, Quit manipulating, start manifesting. You know, don't manipulate people or energy, manifest them. Learn the deeper knowledge that is required. See, Scorpio is also the Rashi of occult, of tantra, 8 नंबर का भाव ऑकल्ट का होता है. तो आपके लाइफ में ऐसी चीज़ें आती हैं which need you to master these things. And don't go towards manipulation, Scorpio. Go towards understanding deeper manifestation. Have patience. Going deeper in a cycle meaning having patience. If you rush this, this is gonna break, and you know this. So you got to have patience. कभी ना कभी तो आप patience सीखोगे, कभी ना कभी तो आप लोगों को giving सीखोगे. Any kind of wickedness here can be deadly. Don't be wicked. This is time to accept transformation. Go deeper into it. Let's see the oracle message for you, Scorpio. Friendship and union. Something good is in store for you. You're understanding deeper meaning of friendship and union. What it means to come together with an energy with other person. What it means to truly accept someone. Sometimes you may be thinking that you are doing things for yourself, and it's okay to be selfish sometimes, but you may be being extremely judgmental over somebody who's rather an angel. If you at all feel lost, if you at all feel you need guidance, it's because you have somebody who is a guardian angel in your life. You have ignored them. You have to work to this is Pitrupaksh. Work for your ancestors. Make somebody bigger than you happy. You have insulted someone, Scorpio. That is why also you can be in cycles. You need to ask for forgiveness from a guardian angel, and move towards this mm, spiritual growth. Okay, so this is what I have for you in this reading, Scorpio. I hope this resonate. If it does, leave a like or a comment, and check Instagram for more readings and more content. I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.